Hello everyone, this is me Kunal Shah here. I'm a senior technical and derivative analyst at LKP Securities. This is a show about Dhan Ki Baat where we try to cover the Nifty and Bank Nifty outlook. We discuss sectors which are likely to outperform in the near term and the stocks which are going to contribute in this up move. So let us start with the first analysis, that is the Nifty analysis. Now this is the daily chart of Nifty, what I'm showing you on the screen. If I look at historically backward, this is where the Nifty downtrend was going on. We got a breakout here on the upside at around 16,800, 17,000 zone. From there onward, Nifty has been continuously going on the uptrend. Now from this level, Nifty had given us a flag and pole pattern breakout, and this breakout came above the level of 17,400. Now 17,400 now, which was earlier acting to me as a resistance, becomes my near-term support. And on the upside, I can see Nifty going towards the levels of 17,800 to 18,100 levels on the upside. So still we have decent upside left in the Nifty index, and the current structure remains extremely bullish. Similarly, when I talk about the Bank Nifty index, the Bank Nifty index, which was earlier trading below its 200-day DMA, has now decisively crossed its 200 DMA, which clearly indicates there is a change in the trend for the Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty on the upside is likely to test the levels of 38,000 on the upside, and if we stay above these levels, then we are likely to head towards the levels of 40,000 on the upside as well. So Bank Nifty has changed its trend recently, which was underperforming since quite a long time, has now started to see some outperformance and could further go on the upside as well. On the downside for Bank Nifty, 36,000 will act as a very strong support. So any dip on the index should be utilized on the buy side. 38,000 is my first level, and above that 40,000 could come into the Nifty Bank Index. So outperformance is clearly going to be visible from the Bank Nifty Index going forward from the current levels. Now, which are the stocks which are likely to do? If I'm bullish on the Bank Nifty Index, I think banking stocks should do well. So from the banking space, I think HDFC Bank, which is a top weightage counter in the Nifty Bank Index, which has almost 30% weightage over here, is likely to see some outperformance as well. We have been clearly seeing on a technical front there was a positive divergence which was earlier formed. Now with the positive divergence, we have also got as an inverse head and shoulder pattern on the HDFC Bank Index, and it is on the verge of breaking above its 200-day DMA. So definitely a good up move is likely to come in HDFC Bank, which could outperform going forward. Levels on the upside, that is 1700 levels, could come on the upside. That is the levels what I see. So currently it is trading around 1500 zone. So a 200-point rally could come into the HDFC Bank counter. So one should be bullish on that front on the private bank space. Second is ICICI Bank. Again, if I look at the chart structure of ICICI Bank, it has been a consistent outperformer even when the Bank Nifty index was not performing well. Now the stock is trading above its 200-day DMA. Again, the bullish momentum is likely to continue. Yesterday, it had formed a bullish piercing candle, which again indicates a bullishness for me. And on the upside, I'm seeing levels of 780 to 800 coming on the ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank remains again a second buy pick on the buy end, where we can see some significant upside. Now, coming back to the other sectors which could even outperform going forward, I think with the Russia-Ukraine crisis getting settled down, just before the crisis was beginning, we were talking about the opening up of the economy theme, where we are looking at sectors where once the economy opens up from the COVID crisis, we are likely to see outperformance there. And because of these geopolitical tensions, we have just forgotten that. But the market is likely showing us the strength in those counters as well. So I think the hotel industries, that is the travel industry, is likely to do quite well in the near term. This is the industry which is likely to outperform. So hotel sector can do well. Out of that, Indian hotels is one stock which is looking very good to me, which could see some good outperformance. The stock has already given me a breakout from a sideways consolidation, and the levels what I see is 270 on the upside for Indian hotels. So Indian hotels one should keep on your radar on the buy side. Second is EIH Hotels. Again, this is a counter which has been doing quite well. It has given me a breakout from a sideways consolidation again, and with volumes, so I can expect a level of 180, 190 levels on the upside for EIH Hotels as well. So EIH Hotel, one should keep it on your radar. The one more sector which is looking very good is the paper industries. Now, with the opening up of the economy, the schools being open up, paper consumption and the paper demand is going to pick up. So, I think the first stock which is looking very good on that space is JK Paper. The stock has given me a flag and pole breakout. The momentum is likely to continue on the upside, where I can see levels of 350, 360 coming up into the stock. So, JK Paper is one stock which one should keep on your radar. Then we have West Coast Paper as well. I think West Coast Paper could do well in the near term from the paper industry as well, where we can see significant outperformance on the stock as well. So West Coast Paper is one stock where I have a bullish view. So as you can see, a neat and clean breakout had already come into this stock. Again, after the breakout, a sideways consolidation was there, and again the up move has started. So 360, 370 levels is what I'm watching out for West Coast Paper on the upside. So for the private banks, could be an outperformer. HDFC and ICICI could do extremely well. On the opening up of the theme, the travel theme is going to do quite well. So hotel stocks, Indian Hotel is the top pick. EIH Hotel could do well. And on the paper, as I said, with the schools opening up, I think paper stock could do very well with the demand increasing. And JK Paper and West Coast Paper remains a top buy on that front. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much, guys.